you're new here, my name is Samantha, and today I will be unboxing the Bissell Little Green ProHeat Portable Carpet Cleaner. I will go over what's in the box, how to assemble the machine, how to use the machine, and testing to see if this actually works or not. So let's get started.
Big machine. Oh, it's a lot heavier than I thought.
This is the clean and water tank where you pour in the water and the formula. Depending on the area you are planning on cleaning, there's a guide on how much water and formula you would need. Since we are only testing for this video, we are going to fill up to the small guidelines area. According to the instruction, we should be using hot water. We will be using the deep stain tool for our test today. This is the current state of my carpet. I have this carpet for probably over 8 years now, and I never washed it before. Sounds gross, yes I know. But I have vacuumed it before, so I am excited to try and see if the Bissell will work on this. So let's give it a try. There's a on and off button right here. So, whoa, that's loud. Did not expect that. I feel a little, I feel it, look. Okay, let's try this. So I think I'm supposed to press this. Is it wet? It's not.
Can you read the instructions first? Let me show you the instructions first.
Okay, before I retry this, There was actually a lot of dog hair on the nozzle, so I am going to chum this first to remove all the dog hair I can. Oh, there's a lot of hair. This is kind of gross. Whoops. This was a spray handle that I did not know. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it came out. Did you see
I saw
it?
it.
And then rub it back and forth. You can see all the dirty water coming back up on the other side. So we just finished cleaning the rug. Honestly, I do not see any difference right now. And the water does not look that dirty. It's either my carpet is super clean after all these years, or it's not working. So let's put it in the next text. Okay, so I'm not sure if you could see this, but this big thing is a coffee stain. This big brown spot. So let's see if this Bissell machine will work on getting this stain removed, because I don't think it really did a great job on the carpet, to be honest. There was also another coffee stain. I'm not sure if you could tell on the camera, but all these little dots are coffee stains. And it's honestly been a while. I also wanted to see if we could remove the stains here. This is what my carpet looks like before and what it looks like after. It does not look any difference, to be honest. Maybe I just kept my rug in great condition. But from the tank, you could tell it did help clean out all the junk in my carpet. The water is murky and you could see the pet hair and human hair in it. For the first coffee stain, this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. It's kind of hard to tell because the lighting is a little different, but it did not completely remove the stain. However, it is lighter than before. This is the second coffee stain, this is the before, and this is the after. The stain is definitely lighter, but it did not remove everything. I am going to give it the benefit of doubt that these stains were pretty old. If I were to use the Bissell right before the stain happened, I think it would have removed everything. Overall, I think this machine is okay. I give this a 3.5 out of 5. It does help with everyday cleaning, but does not completely remove all stains. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you end up buying a Bissell. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.